Good day, my futures employers. I'm Maria Ojapel. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I have 3 kids, and the ages of my kids are 18, 14, and the youngest is 12. I have 5 years experience in I have 4 years experience as DH. I start to work since 2014-2018 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I have 7 members of the family, and the couple and the 5 children. The ages of their children, the youngest is 15 years old. And my work responsibility there is cleaning, washing, ironing, and assist my madam in the kitchen when she's cooking. And the next is in Kuwait City since 2022-2025. There are 9 members of the family, the couple, and the 7 children. The ages of their children are 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2, and they have a newborn baby. My work responsibility there is to cleaning, washing, cooking, and take care of the baby. I'm kind, responsibility, honest, and flexibility in the work. Thank you. Thank you so much for the good opportunity that you given to me, my future's employer. Thank you.